Hi everybody! Welcome to my live today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of my viewers, my followers. So the content for today is my Quaker Oats. So, ayan nga, kagigising ko lang guys, afternoon na. Okay? Kasi nga, early in the morning, I need to wake up, talk to my husband, then going back to sleep. So, pag bumalik akong tulog, depende ko anong oras naman ako magigising. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Quaker Oats ko, yung aking kakainin ngayon. It's 5 PM, pero ngayon pa lang po ako kakain, no? Wala po talaga akong ganang kumain pag gising ko sa morning. Ayan, water lang. And then, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung oats ko. Ayan po siya. Okay, with my milk and banana. So, ayan po yung kinakain ko, guys.